Hey, welcome to my very first video. My name is Tanish, and yeah, so let's start with this one. So what we'll doing in this video will be like I'll be creating a small Telegram bot that basically whenever you ask that bot for a meme, it will send you a new meme. So yeah, I'll cue a demo here. So this is what we are creating today. So this is a Telegram bot, and whenever I type the command /meme, it sends me a new meme, and some of them are really very funny. So let's see how to create them. Yeah, so I think you saw the demo, so let's create it now. Step 0, or before doing anything, what we have to do here is we have to first create our own bot on Telegram. So let's see how to do that. Let's go. The first step to create a bot will be to first search for the user bot father and type the command new bot. Now it will say alright, a new bot. So now tell what you need to call it. So we'll type a new name for it, and that will be MemoBot. Now it will tell me to type a username, and this username must end with the bot and must also be unique. So let me type memer34 and end it with the bot. So this is the username of our bot. Okay, as I said, the name should be unique. Anything like this. Great. So the bot is created. So you can see the congratulations on new bot. I can visit my bot from this URL here. So here it is, MemoBot, and also this is the token ID. You can see use this token to access the API. So this is where we get the API, and I'll be showing you how this API or this token ID is useful in our code. So let's go to the code now. I'll be moving on to my laptop screen, and I'll be showing you how I wrote a very simple code in less than 10 minutes, and you can create the same bot by yourself. Okay, so let's see how we can create this bot. So it involves 3 steps. First will be to be installing the Python Telegram bot library or the package. So you can install it via pip install Python Telegram bot, as simple as that. Then of course we have to code and then execute and try on Telegram. So let's go. So this is the simple code here. So what it does is, first I have initialized the Telegram bot with the token ID that we got from the bot father, the token ID of our bot. Then we have initialized the command handler with which command we need to send the meme. So every time I write meme in my chat, it will send me a new meme. So whenever I write meme, it will execute the function meme. So here is that function meme. So what this does is, it gets the image URL that we will be sending the user from the above function, and after we get the image URL, we get the chat ID from the Telegram bot library from using this line update.message.chatid. What is chat ID? So chat ID is whenever we interact with the Telegram bot, it creates a new chat, and that chat will have a chat ID. So to send that particular meme to that chat only, Telegram bot uses a chat ID. So we can get that chat ID from this line, and in the end we just use the send photo function to send the photo using the URL and to this chat ID. So it was as simple as that. And how we now, main thing is how we get the image. So to get the image, we use the REST API. So I got this URL on the internet. So this is a very simple API. Here you can see it. So whenever I reload it, it gives me a new meme. So it returns a JSON file. In this, there is a URL. So this URL is basically a image URL, which every time gives me a new meme. So whenever I reload it, it will give me a new meme. So now suppose I go to this URL, it will show me a new meme. So every time when I go, there is a new meme. So all these memes are taken from Reddit, and somebody has created the API out of it. So I have directly used that API here. And yeah, so after getting the API, we filter the URL from the JSON content, and then in this function we compare whether that URL is an image URL or not. So we compare that it ends with JPEG, JPG or PNG. If yes, then we return it, and then we send it to the chat. So it was as simple as that. Now when we run it, we can directly call the Python and the file name and execute it, and now After executing, we can go to our Telegram app in the mobile phone, and let me show you how it works there. So let's see how this bot works. So as I said, we'll type the command meme, and as soon as I enter it, it should return me a new meme from that Reddit API. And here it is. So whenever I type command meme, it will just send me a new meme. And like any number of times you type, a new meme is uploaded.
Hey, thank you for watching this video. This was my first video, so please cut me some slack in audio and video qualities. It will definitely be improving a lot in the upcoming videos. I have planned a lot. This channel will be a lot about tech, productivity and lifestyle of generally a software engineer. So yeah, let's see. If you genuinely like this video, please press the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll be seeing you hopefully this week or next week. So yeah, thank you for watching.